Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're examining the V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax. Marketed as a quick fix for car scratches, it claims to restore your vehicle's shine effortlessly. But does it truly deliver? Let's delve into the details. According to the manufacturer, V-Vaxy is designed to eliminate minor scratches, swirls, and oxidation, enhancing paint gloss and providing long-lasting protection. It's also touted as safe for all car colors. However, user feedback paints a mixed picture. Some customers report that the wax adds shine but doesn't effectively remove scratches. Others mention that it works on very light imperfections but falls short on deeper marks. So let's look at some of the most helpful reviews on Amazon. I was disappointed in the results of using this. I have some scratches on my car, and this turned out to feel like car polish in a bottle, not a restorer nor scratch repair. I would not spend the money for it. It did not work as advertised. And we're gonna read the review that 11 people found helpful. It's a 1 star. Absolutely junk. Used in a small area of my truck to test. See pictures. Side to side fine scratches are from this product. If the truck wasn't getting painted soon, I would go after reimbursement for the damage. And here we can see the damage caused by the product. These scratches right here. So if we summarize the feedback, we'd get that the pros are that it's easy to apply and it enhances shine on the car's surface. However, it does not do what it says it does. It has limited effectiveness on deeper scratches. Results may be temporary, and the customer reviews are very bad. If you're seeking more reliable options, consider Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0, known for removing light scratches and blemishes. Total Wax Scratch Repair and Renew offers a blend of polishing agents for effective scratch removal and 3M scratch removal system, a comprehensive kit for addressing various scratch depths. In conclusion, V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax may offer a temporary shine and address very light imperfections. However, for more substantial scratch repair, exploring other well-reviewed products might yield better results. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.